I know your every move, so won't you just let me in? I've been here times before, but I was too bad to see that you seduce every man. This time you wanted me. She said, that's okay. Hey baby, do what you please. I am the stuff that you want. I am the thing that you need. She looked me deep in the eyes. She touching me so to stop. She says there's no turning back. She says me dirty to you. No. Dirty to you. No. Dirty to you. No. Dirty to you. Look at me. She likes to poison the band. She knows when they come to town. Every musician's fan until the curtain comes down. She waits at backstage doors for those who have prestige, promise fortune and fame and a life that's all carefree. She says that's okay. Hey baby, do what you want. I'll be your number thing. I'll be the freak you can turn. And I don't care what you say. I want to go too far. I'll be your everything. If you can see a star. She said I have to go home, cause I'm tired, you see, that I ain't sleeping alone. Why don't you come with me? I said the baby's at home, she's probably worried tonight. I didn't call on the phone to say that I'm alright. Diana walked up to me, she said I'm honest tonight. Then I went to the phone, saying baby I'm alright. I said what's wrong like the door, because I forgot the key. She said he's not coming back, because he's sleeping with me.
Un applauso, Fabrizio, lo chiamo io, ma sicuramente sarebbe arrivato spontaneo perché sono state bravissime, hanno avuto pochissimo tempo per prepararsi e quindi davvero complimenti a tutte quante le concorrenti, quelle che vinceranno e quelle che invece non vinceranno.